back. Guess who's back?
It feels so good to be back.
Guess who's back?
Never been the type to bend or punch. The wrong button to push, no friend to push. I'm a centerpiece, you're a Maltese. I'm a pit bull off his leash. All this peace talk can cease. All these people I had to leave in limbo. I'm back now, I've come to release this info. I'll be brief and let me just keep shit simple. Can a bitch don't want no beef with Slim? No! Not even on my radar. So won't you please jump up my dick, lay off and stay off. And follow me as I put these crayons to chaos. From seance to seance. Get on, get on. Now let's all get on. Now let's don't see no. Now we gon' have a good time. Don't disturb us, there ain't nothing to worry about. Let's show her down.
Square dance with me.
Now let's all get on. Now don't see no. Now we gon' have a good time. Don't disturb us, there ain't nothing to worry about. Let's show her down.
Square dance with me.
Track, yeah, kick on back. The boogie monster of rap, yeah, the man's back with a plan to ambush this Bush administration. Mush the Senate's facing, push this generation of kids to stand and fight for the right to say something you might not like. This white hot light that I'm under, no wonder I look so sunburned. Oh no, I won't leave no stone unturned. Oh no, I won't leave, won't go nowhere. No see, no, oh yo, ho, 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 there. Oh yeah. While you're in bed, can't think and the crap can't happen. Till you fuck around, get an anthrax napkin inside a package, wrapping saran wrap, rapping. Open the plastic, get in